Since I've joined SMC, my SOLIDWORKS knowledge and experience has grown tremendously, partly I think due to the certification program and the training that comes with that.
As a trainer, I've definitely seen the benefit in SOLIDWORKS certification. To be able to see someone come in who really doesn't know the software and who really struggles with even the most basic functionalities, and to have them go through our program and not only be a productive member of their group, but also to be the go-to guy within that engineering group. SOLIDWORKS training program has really helped us to get there.
My current level of SOLIDWORKS certification is Associates. I'm working diligently on getting my professional. Before I worked for SMC, I was not certified in SOLIDWORKS at all.
Before we implemented our SOLIDWORKS certification program, we had no visibility into areas where a user was struggling with our training. The SOLIDWORKS tools gives us a great visibility, and we can correct or work on those issues.
When we start out with the Associates, we figure out what things are lacking, and then once they go through the Associates, that we see a marked improvement in their productivity, and then even more after they take the professional exam.
Yeah, prior to coming to SMC, I had no official training, no certification, and coming here and having the opportunity to work in this program and to be a part of the SOLIDWORKS training and certification within SMC has really brought me to a new level, kind of opened my eyes to more of the capabilities of the software, and just in general it's helped me to be more productive, and now I'm able as a trainer to be able to pass some of that along to the rest of the department.
One of the things that I've noticed out of our internal certifications, who can do it faster, who can do it better, and you will start learning that there's different functionality inside of SOLIDWORKS that the one user may not have known about or had forgotten about, and this user picked up on it.
I believe that the training and the certification program opens your eyes to methods that you never really used, or you could have been using for years and just didn't take advantage of it. Not just helps me get better, it helps everybody get better.
Providing this training and the certifications has helped us keep our knowledgeable employees. It kind of promotes a camaraderie between everybody, and who gets the best score and who can do it the fastest and stuff like that. So I'm definitely grateful that SMC has allowed us to take these different certifications and provided this training. I think it's valuable to both them as a company and me as an individual engineer.